This is I'm totally condemn what this local government done and the central also. Because our constitution say the one thing when was Ambedkar was uh, implemented. The Hindu, Christian, Muslims own religions, nobody can touch them. So I'm a Catholic, Hindu cannot touch me, or Muslim cannot touch my religions. I go my own way. Because in Goa we are together. Goa, Hindu, Muslim, Catholic, till today we are together. The Ganesh, we go to their house. Christmas, they are coming my house. Eid, we are going to their house, Muslim house. So we are till today communal harmony, very strong. But what is done here is very, very bad. The big sentiments, not only in India, whole world. Because nobody told you to touch anyone religious, anybody. And this is a system what they use, Kejriwal, on video letter, sending on Friday and demolishing on Sunday, Monday morning.
Address was wrong.
And address was wrong. And I got a news from your priest. It is not the court, anything given, not serve the notice, but serve the notice by the video. This is your priest, your committee was saying here. That's the reason I came in Delhi from Goa to find out exactly what. Because he was telling that he came in Goa, Kejriwal saying, I'm not aware what happened. But one day, Jesus will tell him what he done. I keep my whole faith on Jesus and Mero Valanka. And I tell you one day, you getting a good result for this.
Amen.
And I am there for you.